Hi, my name is Coley and I am a product manager for MMGuardian. If you're watching this video, you have probably made the decision to use MMGuardian to protect your child. Excellent choice. We know that using new technology can be intimidating for many people, so we've created this series of videos to help guide you through the entire process of setting up and using MMGuardian so that you can see just how easy it is. In this first video, I'm going to give you a very brief overview of what all is involved. To start off, you're going to install the MMGuardian parent app on your own phone. Now, this is different from the MMGuardian child app that goes on your child's phone. They are two different apps. From your parent app on your device, you will have access to all of MMGuardian's features, such as viewing your child's text messages, getting alerts about concerning activity, getting your child's location, and many, many others. A lot of parents ask, does it matter if I have an iPhone and my child has an Android? No, it doesn't. MMGuardian will work with any combination of iPhones and Androids. The features will be a little bit different depending on the type of device that your child has, but I'll get into some more details about that shortly. Now I'm going to show you exactly which apps to add on which phones. To start off, you are going to take your own phone and search for MMGuardian in either the Play Store or the App Store. If you have an Android, it will look something like this. You'll see there are two MMGuardian apps. The first one with the mostly gray icon and the higher 4.2 star rating is the parent app. That is the one you are going to download. The other one with the mostly green icon and the lower 2-star rating is what you will put on your child's phone. The reason that the ratings are so different is because children love to rate the child app that is on their phones 1 star. So once you go into the parent app in the Play Store, you will see this screen and you simply click install and it will start installing just like any other app. On your child's phone, you will do the same thing, searching in the store and opening the one with the mostly green icon and the lower rating. This one you will also install just like any other app, and then we will have another video walking you through the process. If either of you has an iPhone, this is what it will look like when you search. Again, the mostly green icon with the lower rating is what goes on your child's phone. The gray icon with a higher rating, named Parent App, is what goes on your phone. All right, a few final notes. If your child has an iPhone, you will need to install an additional app on your home computer in order to monitor messages and to receive alerts about concerning messages on your child's phone. The reason for this is Apple is very restrictive with what they allow developers to do on phones. So this app is sort of a workaround for that in order to allow you to monitor messages. You will receive an email with instructions and a tutorial video walking you through the entire process. So be on the lookout for that and don't stress, it is super easy. Another thing to keep in mind, when you are registering your parent app and the child app, you want to be sure you have registered them under the exact same email address. Make sure you read it carefully, make sure it is the exact same one. If it's different, then it will create two different accounts. And you don't want that happening because it'll look like things aren't working properly. So make sure they are under the same email address. And if at any point in any of this you have a question, you can email support@mmguardian.com and our support team will be happy to assist you. And that is all for this video, so thank you for watching.